No matter what the size of your viewing device, reflections can make it hard to use for FPV flight. In bright environments, a good sunshade is a must-have. After constructing many shades, one feature made itself evident. The hood must be angled. This configuration eliminates reflections off the iPhone surface. My latest design is made from construction paper and popsicle sticks. Walmart stocks 2-foot by 3-foot black sheets and popsicle sticks, each for $1. First, print the pattern and measure along the dimensions to verify it printed correctly. Trim down the pattern, then, using a glue stick, fix it to the black paper. Don't use too much glue. Next, carefully cut out the pattern. With a hole punch, punch out the 4 holes. Using a sharp edge, crease along the dashed fold lines. Then gently remove the pattern. Set the folds one more time with the help of a ruler. Apply white glue along the upper fold over and clamp it down. While the glue dries, cut the wood popsicle sticks as per the pattern. Next, glue a stick on the 2 sides of the hood. Use clamps to hold them in place. After the glue dries, slip rubber bands through the holes, and that's it. To install, hold the phone so that the jack is on the left side. Slide the hood over the phone and stretch the elastics over the end of the popsicle sticks. Finally, slip the phone into the controller clamps. See the video description for links to download the patterns. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you thought this subject was interesting, and consider subscribing.